Hello, we are at 1760 Fell Street, and this is the middle unit in a 3-unit building located in NOPA. Here we are coming in the front door of the unit. Nice tall ceilings throughout. First we'll see the living room. Definitely a spacious room. We are right on Fell Street between Masonic and Ashbury, and that is the Panhandle Park directly across the street. All right, have a decorative fireplace here on the right, which makes a lovely focal point for the room, and electric baseboard heat. Here is the controller for the heater in this room. Okay. Next we come to the bedroom. Nice large room. You could definitely do queen size bed in here. 2 closets. So closet number 1, double closet. Okay, have another lovely decorative fireplace, window looking out onto the shared backyard. Here's the other closet. And heater for this room. And we do have a window here facing out onto Fell Street. Incidentally, here is the controller for the heater here in the bedroom. Okay, bathroom is off of the bedroom. We have beige tile floor in here, mirrored bathroom vanity, a cabinet underneath, and a shower. And of course a window for ventilation and some towel bars. Okay, passing back through the foyer of the unit, here is the electrical box and the phone for the intercom. Okay, nice big kitchen, linoleum floor here, fridge. We actually have a hot water tank here in this closet. And then we have this large pantry. Tons of space. Okay. Definitely room for a nice sized dining table in here. Here we have the dishwasher, kitchen sink, gas range, and a window looking out onto the shared outdoor space, which we're going to go see here in just a moment. Okay. All right, I got the back door of the unit propped open here. Right out here on the back porch is the shared washer dryer. And again, this is a 3-unit building that shares that. Shared outdoor space. Nice big garden area. Give you a quick little walk through here. Goes back pretty far. It is fenced in. We got lemons on the lemon tree. All right, so that's a quick little walk through the garden. Okay, there's the shared washer dryer. Incidentally, at this building, the utilities are a flat rate. So each month for this unit, for water and sewer, trash, recycling, gas, electric, and the laundry, because it is not coin operated, is $100 a month for utility fee. Okay, in addition to the rent. But it is nice to know exactly what that expense will be each month. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This was 1760 Fell Street, the middle unit. Please email me, and I'm happy to let you know when we're having the next virtual open house. Thanks for watching.